Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you send cash through your Binance account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, just simply tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner. And after going into there, you just simply have to select this pay option. After tapping into pay, you will get to see send button at very first. Tap to send button, and after tapping in there, you will get this option where you can enter either the email address, phone number or Binance ID into here. Just simply enter the ID of the receiver, and after entering the ID of the receiver, tap to continue. But in order to do this, you have to verify the account of the sender and receiver both. And after verifying the account, you just simply have to select the cash amount that you would like to send and confirm it by entering your passcode or biometric, whatever you have set into your Binance. And your cash will be sent in no time, and you will also get the text message into your device. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.